Well, that was quite immediate after my arrival at KU. I met Mary Rappel, who's one of the workers at Klux, and she suggested right away that I apply since she knew I was working in Brazil. The application process was quite smooth. I had a chance to participate in one of the workshops for the application, which was quite useful as well. And I didn't have any trouble submitting the documents or getting them accepted. Oh, certainly the diversity and the richness of experience. I work ethnographically and I conduct interviews as well. There are details and aspects of data that you simply cannot get if you're not in the place or talking to people face to face. So that's invaluable. It's invaluable for research and personally as well in many respects, because it gives a lot of concreteness to our sense of where the research is going. Well, academically, it is really invaluable because the kind of research I do cannot be done compressed in a small amount of time by the end of the PhD process, right? It demands data collection over a long period of time. So if there wouldn't be sources like Tinker available who foster exploratory research or preliminary research at early stages, in practice, this would just make it impossible to conduct research as I do. So that's really something I'm tremendously grateful for. Now, personally, of course, just how enriching it is to be able to do research with a relative freedom, of course, because it's exploratory, which is something not all possible grants would cover, and the possibility to be in the field, which is one of the richest experiences I've had in my life. Here, of course, academic and personal dimensions of these intersect quite a lot. But I don't think I would have as good a grasp of several of the questions I'm asking if I couldn't be there in person. Well, of course, that's contingent on the kind of research every person does. It can be quite different from case to case. For people who are doing field work in the sense that I do it in the social sciences, I think no amount of pre-preparation is too much. I profited quite a lot from contacting my interviewees ahead of time. I profited quite a lot from exploring the geographical regions I was going to visit as much as possible in advance with the aid of maps or other anticipatory resources. And it really saved a lot of time because, of course, once you're in the field, people's timelines are not necessarily equivalent to yours. And if you have some rapport and if you have the capacity to establish some degree of commitment to the research on the side of the interviewees, that's always for the better. And of course, it strengthens the application because then you can just offer in greater detail what you're going to do during the research process.